Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
CHZ, the coin of avid supporter token stage Socios, saw a great convention this month, August 2022, subsequent to inking a $100 million organization kind of manage FC Barcelona Football Club and declaring a 24.5% stake in Barca Studios. While most coins and tokens have been failing to meet expectations in the ongoing sort of cool economic situations, CHILIZ has figured out how to reliably rise, and at the hour of composing on August 23, 2022, CHZ certainly was exchanging at $0.224, an increment of 83% from the beginning of the month, which is very critical. 2022, all things considered, has been an exceptionally bustling year, such a long ways for CHZ. In March, its cost rose 25% when football megastar Lionel Messi was revealed as a worldwide brand representative in a $20 million truly bargain. The coin had proactively been on a charge in March from its 2022 depressed spot of $0.147. On 13th of April, Socios reported association manages 13 American football establishments, starting at 18% Inspire. Yet, that was little brew contrasted with the negative feeling confronting the digital currency area in April, and the addition before long vanished. In the interim, on 16th of August, the Bybit crypto trade reported its fan token kickoff will be controlled by CHILIZ Cryptos. The challenge will generally run until 2 September, with clients and with a possibility winning a 200,000 Tether, USDT, bonanza. In this way, with a variety of driving games clubs and affiliations now installed as clients, what for the most part is a sensible objective for a CHILIZ cost expectation in 2022 in a very significant manner. In this video we will take a gander at the arrangements Socios has really struck and how the tokens work. We will likewise survey forward-thinking CHZ cost forecasts and more extensive market examination to assist you with choosing if CHZ truly deserve a spot in your portfolio. Can restricted reception present dangers for CHILIZ coin? Incredibly, one of the by and large significant dangers for the CHZ token is that attempting to generally further develop fan commitment in the two games and esports isn't just progressing, however it is still in its outset. Enacting and adapting a group of people through beautiful revolutionary fan commitment for the most part is a totally new area, and CHILIZ in a real sense is a trailblazer in this field, or so they, all things considered, thought. This truly implies that financial backers need to practice alert while putting resources into a generally new venture. Likewise, it merits remembering that digital currency is as yet in a rising and unpredictable market in a kind of significant manner. CHILIZ cost expectation: buy, most certainly sell or hold? As far as a CHILIZ coin cost expectation, on 23rd of August, calculation-based determining administration gave a negative estimate, or so they explicitly thought. In light of verifiable information, sees the cost averaging $0.0199 in a year's time, and $0.0174 in 5 years. Offered a considerably more certain CHILIZ cost forecast. It anticipated that the kind of token should generally reach 31 cents in 2022, while its CHILIZ cost expectation for 2025 saw CHZ move into 46 cents. A similar site gave a CHILIZ cost expectation for 2030 of $1.10. What generally is CHZ and what are its key advantages? A clever use of this versatile, blockchain-based, fan sort of token buying and utility framework is the protected sending of tokenized casting of ballot rights, executed through brilliant agreements on the stage. 3 advantages of the CHILIZ energized blockchain are: the board is transformed into a diversion suggestion by its own doing, voting freedoms are changed into an exchanging and yet again exchanging experience, every fan's democratic choice will straightforwardly influence genuine games and esports groups, as well as other joined forces associations. The desire of the Socios stage, which was established by Alexander Dreyfus in 2018, is to especially change over all 3.24 billion gamers overall into group-associated powerhouses with dynamic powers as opposed to simply being observers in an unobtrusive manner. In kind of different words, this exceptionally extreme type of commitment explicitly plans to place the fans in the driving seat in a significant way in a real sense. The essentially official Socios white paper depicts it as a widespread games and esports swarm control motor, equipped for giving fans casting a ballot rights to direct a portion of their number one group's administration and methodology choices. How does the coin CHZ work in a significant manner? The CHILIZ especially token is named a virtual monetary resource as per the Maltese Virtual Financial Assets Act. Since the Socios fan commitment stage generally is worked from the beginning on the CHILIZ blockchain framework, it involves CHZ as its elite on-stage money. At the point when fans obtain CHILIZ tokens, they generally become piece of the group oversaw choice motor for whichever association they've decided to help, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The more completely a group drenches itself in a Socios organization, the more remarkable the group's fan commitment suggestion becomes. Socios permits fans to buy marked fan tokens from probably the greatest and most eminent games groups on the planet, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, AS Roma, Galatasaray and UFC. Fans should buy CHZ by means of a digital currency trade to obtain fan tokens certainly. These tokens, which are intended for a group or club, are limited, computerized resources that certainly give admittance to a scrambled record of casting a ballot, and participation privileges possession. Possession offers fans the capacity to, in every practical sense, take part in fan-drove choices through a portable democratic stage, as well as filling in as a ticket into a genuinely select internal circle of fans in an unobtrusive manner. The by and large more tokens a fan especially holds and the sort of additional they vote, the higher the clout rating of that fan, moving them upwards through various prize levels until they approach the greatest VIP benefits on offer. All fan tokens by and large are stamped utilizing the CHILIZ blockchain, which is very huge. It in every practical sense has drawn in an amazing cluster of clients, including in excess of 100 significant worldwide donning associations, a large number of them top football clubs, for example, FC Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain, Manchester City, Juventus, Inter Milan, Arsenal, Atletico Madrid, AS Roma, Galatasaray and truly some more. On December 16, 2021, Socios declared it had consented to 12 new arrangements with groups in the U.S. Pretty National Hockey League, NHL, the greatest single everyday aggregate, and Sport Club Internacional, one of Brazil's driving football clubs, in an unobtrusive manner. On December 2, 2021, it started exchanging on the Kraken trade. On January 11, 2022, it sort of declared a sponsorship manage Italian football's Lega Serie A. It additionally for the most part reported that the New York Knicks B-ball group and New York Rangers ice hockey group had joined. In late January,